Hello students, welcome back to our educational tutorials. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well by the God grace. Students, today I have chosen the lesson Happiness written by Carl Sandburg from the intermediate first year on the subscribers demand. So students, before we begin the lesson, we will learn about the poet. Students, here learning about the poet is very important because when you attempt the answer in the examination, you need to write 2 to 3 lines about the poet. After that, you begin with the answer. So, let's learn about the poet Carl August Sandburg, born in 1878 and died in 1967, is a famous American poet, winner of 3 Pulitzer Prizes. Sandburg is popular for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. Sandburg was an excellent student, but he had to leave school early to earn a livelihood. He worked as a paper boy, delivered milk, assisted in the barber shops, washed dishes, and painted houses. He took up journalism and produced quite a few poems. Students, you know what? Carl Sandburg works are mainly based on the concept of industry, agriculture, and common people. Students, even this poem talks about a man who tries to find the meaning of happiness from different people and different perspectives. But he finds the real meaning of happiness from the crowd of Hungarians with their women and children beside a river. We quite often hear people say, I am happy, I am not happy. Are many of us really clear about what happiness is? Students, do you know what is happiness? Happiness is nothing but an emotion and a good feeling. So, students, let's learn the meaning of this poem. So, students, let us see to know the real meaning of happiness what he has done. Firstly, the poet begins the poem by asking the professor about the meaning of happiness. Who teaches the meaning of life to the people? The professor who represents the intelligence and success couldn't answer the question. After then, he asked the same question to the famous executives who boss the work of thousand men, even he is unable to answer the question. Searching for the meaning of happiness, the poet on one Sunday afternoon wanders along the Des Plaines river. There he sees a crowd of Hungarians under the trees with their women and children and a keg of beer and an accordion, that means musical instrument. Here he finds the real meaning of happiness from these people. These people do not have money, you know, do not have money, intelligence, or success, but they are the symbol of real meaning of happiness. They make the best movement by spending time with their family. Students, here have you observed over here the difference between the upper class and the lower class is given in this poem. Here the upper class people represents the professor and the executives who do not know the meaning of the happiness and they do not know to live in the moment. Students, here he represents the lower class people, the Hungarians who know to lead a happy life in the moment in accordance with nature. So here what we have learned, here we'll have learned that one should live in the present in order to enjoy the life. So students, according to Carl Sandburg, the Hungarians stand as a symbol of sharing and helping mentality people. Here, coming to the conclusion, the poet concludes the poem in which the happiness is not about being rich or successful or having a good career, but about having passion in life, feeling the moment and living in it through our soul. He also says that the materialistic thing do not bring any happiness to the people. So students, we also understood through this poem that the happiest people don't necessarily have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything they have. So student, coming to overall, this poem is light-hearted poem. It does not give single definition. This poem seems to be strange but has a great intellectual meaning in it. Happiness varies from person to person. And wisdom lives in the lives but not in libraries. Therefore, one should live in the present in order to enjoy the life. That's it, student. I hope you all understood the lesson. Meet you in the next video with a new lesson. God bless you.